Hello, my name is Rajan Chettiar. I run the law firm of Rajan Chettiar LLC, and I'm doing this series of videos to introduce our new area of practice, which is business law. The whole focus of going into business law is to help solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, and small and medium businesses. Why do I do that? I do that because I too, 19 years ago, when I started this law firm, went through this journey of being a business owner. So let me take you on a journey and deal with some of the legal issues that we business owners face. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be speaking about contracts. Contracts are a very important part of a business owner's life. It could be a contract with a service provider, or it can be a contract with a landlord when you want to lease your space to run your business. Or when you become bigger, you need staff and you need to hire them, you need to have contracts. So we will be talking about these three forms of contracts. Let me first talk about contracts by itself. Why are they important? A lot of business owners do not have written contracts. That's normal because you're a new business owner. So they tend to go by word of mouth, what we call an oral contract. Sometimes they will go by what they state in WhatsApp messages, in SMSs or emails, and those are also in law can be put together and form a contract. Thirdly, people really do written contracts. They tend to do what I call a DIY contracts, where they draft it themselves to save the time and the legal fees. My advice has always been have a written contract, a properly drafted one by a lawyer preferably, because if you have an oral contract and we have a problem that comes out of the contract, it's going to be very hard to deal with this and to dispute this and to fight this out in court, because it will be a case of what you say and what the service provider says. For example, WhatsApps and SMSs and emails, that's also very common. When I mediate in the state courts cases like this, it's very common to see people talking about how they have said certain things in all these various platforms. Putting them together and to have an understanding is difficult because of the nature of WhatsApps and emails. Yeah. So if we need to think about it, when we do a contract, we need to think about, if there's a problem and I need to go to court, is this good enough? Yeah. So if not, then the best way is to really look at drafting a contract. If you do a DIY contract, that's okay, but have it vetted by a lawyer so that all the areas are covered. Yeah. Or get a lawyer to draft standard contracts that you can use with your service providers. Thank you very much for watching these videos. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or comments, do get in touch with me, and my contact number is here. If you have any other topics that you wish me to cover, do let me know.